Bhai, how are you? So what happened this machine?
How are you? Good.
I'm fine, good. What is your problem?
This machine,
Ah.
it's had a very long time.
Okay.
Its display is not showing very well. And people are suffering to choose which program to watch, how to watch.
Okay.
If possible, please change it.
Okay, I will check. I will check. Assalamualaikum, Mr. Firoz Bhai. See, now your washing machine is ready. Already, can you come and check, please? Check the display now.
Yeah, it's perfect now.
Check all one by one.
Yeah. It's all programs. It's coming. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Dev. We really appreciate your performance.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. Assalamualaikum.
Phone number, here code number, white close, star.
How is the machine? Alhamdulillah, it's okay now?
Now it's best. You change display.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Yaqub.
Okay, welcome, bro.